Last week we learnt about Stuxnet. After Stuxnet, several notable industrial malware strains emerged. They targeted various industries and critical infrastructure sectors. Here are a few examples. Havox, also known as Dragonfly or Energetic Bear. It was first reported in 2014. Havox is a sophisticated malware framework that specifically targets industrial control systems, ICS, and supervisory control and data acquisition, SCADA, systems. It has been used in espionage campaigns against energy, utilities, and manufacturing sectors. Black Energy, initially discovered in 2007, Black Energy has evolved over the years into a multifunctional malware toolset capable of targeting ICS and SCADA systems. It gained notoriety for its involvement in cyber attacks against energy infrastructure in Ukraine, including the 2015 power grid blackout. Indestroyer, also known as Crash Override, is a highly destructive malware framework designed to disrupt power grids and other critical infrastructure systems. It was responsible for the 2016 cyber attack on the Ukrainian power grid, demonstrating its capability to cause widespread disruption. Triton, also known as Trisys, is a sophisticated malware framework specifically designed to target safety instrumented systems, SIS, used in industrial environments, particularly in oil and gas facilities. It was discovered in 2017 and represents a significant threat to industrial safety. Grey Energy is a successor to Black Energy and has been observed targeting energy companies, transportation infrastructure, and other critical sectors in Eastern Europe. It shares similarities with Black Energy but includes additional capabilities for reconnaissance and espionage. These examples highlight the growing threat posed by industrial malware to critical infrastructure and industrial control systems worldwide. As cyber attacks against these systems continue to increase in frequency and sophistication, it's essential for organizations to prioritize cybersecurity measures to protect their operations and infrastructure. Recent trends reveal an escalation in cyber threats targeting financial systems and healthcare infrastructure, underscoring the urgent need for advanced security protocols. Now that we have understood how cyber weapons targeting industries have evolved, in the next episode we will look into some of the threat actors or cyber criminals behind these attacks. Thanks you for watching The Cyberman Show. Keep learning and sharing.